Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am here today to do a quick DIY tutorial, but first of all, I want to go into some things that I found at the Dollar Tree in Milwaukee. We don't find anything at the Dollar Tree here very often. So I wanted to share some things with you guys that we found. So I found these little roses, and they are LED lights. So you take these things out of this package here, and you take the little tab out, and then they have a little glow to them. So if you can see that, they do a little flicker, which I thought was really, really cute. We don't get stuff like that at the Dollar Tree. So I was kind of excited about that. And when I tell you guys my house is run over with stuff, it really is run over with stuff. I also found these. And I don't know if anyone has seen these, but these are at the Dollar Tree as well. And these are some nice crystal glass roses. So those are great. And this I got super excited about because my granddaughter is having a unicorn birthday party in August. Now, I have seen people post these, and I said that's never going to happen here in Milwaukee. And I went into the Dollar Tree and found these, and I racked up on all of them. Again, house run over with stuff. I also found these, and I never find anything this nice. They have the little bling wrap, and they have the little diamond studs in the different colors that I really don't care for too much. But when I saw these, I had to pick them up. And they didn't have very many, so I just got what they had. And then I saw these, which I thought were very cute. Don't know what I'm using them for yet, but I thought they were very cute. If you wanted to have like a summer beach party or something of the sort, then these would be really nice for that. So that's everything that I ran into. I think, but if I find anything else, I'll let you guys know. But I'm going to go ahead and do a really, really quick DIY tutorial for you, and that's going to be it. So stay tuned. Okay, so guys, when I said this was going to be really quick and simple, I was not kidding at all. So all you need is these little candle holders here, the slender ones. I love these because you can use them for so much. And you're going to use that rose. And of course, you're going to need your glue gun and whatever epoxy glue that you're going to be using. And you know, this is my favorite, the Gorilla Glue. So basically, here it is. Really quick, really simple. I'm just going to put a little bit here and there. And then I'll take my glue gun and fill in the space. And we will take our candle holder and try to center that as best you can. A little pressure. And that is it, guys. And all you need to do is place your little lights underneath there, and there you go. Put your candle in. That's it. And it will look great on any table.